In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your sequence building skills, we're going to break this process down into clear, manageable steps. So let's jump right in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the trial guide within HubSpot. You'll typically find this by logging into your HubSpot account and searching for Trial Guide in the navigation bar. This guide serves as a great starting point for accessing various sales tools, including sequences. Once you're in the trial guide, direct your attention to the Sales section. You'll see it prominently displayed. Click on it, and this will bring you to a dedicated space within HubSpot that houses all sales-related functionalities. It's like entering the hub where all your sales tools are ready for action. Next, within the Sales Toolkit, you'll notice an option labeled Sequences. Click on this, and this is what we'll be focusing on today. Sequences are a powerful tool in HubSpot that enable you to automate and personalize the way you communicate with contacts over a series of emails and tasks. After clicking on Sequences, you'll see a button that says Create a Sequence. Go ahead and click on that to enter the sequence creation interface. Here, HubSpot allows you to design communication workflows that can vary depending on your sales process and needs. Now, you'll encounter an option to create a dynamic sequence. Choosing this option will allow you to build more tailored and adaptive workflows, responding to the actions and behavior of your contacts. For example, you might want to adjust the sequence if a contact replies to your email or engages with your content in a particular way. Once you've opted for a dynamic sequence, you'll be given the choice to start from scratch. Click on this option to begin crafting your custom sequence. Starting from scratch will provide you with an empty canvas, which is ideal for designing sequences that are unique to your business objectives and sales strategies. Finally, after setting up your sequence parameters, hit Create Sequence to finalize your work. At this stage, you can revisit any previous steps, add more steps, or adjust the sequence to better fit your sales process. Don't forget to review everything before you save and implement your sequence, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your goals. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sequence in HubSpot. With these sequences, you can streamline your communication, making sure potential clients receive timely, relevant information that nurtures them through your sales funnel. Thank you for joining me today. Creating sequences in HubSpot can significantly enhance your productivity, helping you focus on what really matters, building relationships and closing deals. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more HubSpot tips and tricks.